Hey y'all, doing a little dimensional analysis here. I just wanted to give you a video doing this last one. I want you to try it on your own, but it is kind of new. We're tying in this stuff. We're talking about these revolutions and traveling around a circle and radians into dimensional analysis. So it really wasn't fair of me to throw that at you without giving you a little bit of heads up. So this is a heads up. I'm just going to do that one. It says a man or someone has a rock tied to a string and is rotating it around himself 50 revolutions per minute. Okay, if the radius or if the string itself is 2 feet long, how far does the rock travel in 5 minutes? So he's going to be swinging this thing around a 2 foot radius circle for 5 minutes. Total, how far does this rock travel? Okay, that's what we're talking about. And I'm going to try to put a little dimensional analysis into it. So we're going to start with on this side of the river. One of the givens was 50 revolutions every 1 minute. Per minute is what that means. Okay. Then I'm trying to get to the other side. The other side is how many feet does it travel? So I just want feet by itself when all is said and done. Okay. The idea here is I need to get from revolutions to feet, revolutions per minute to feet. Okay. So I know I can't be in revolutions. I need those to go away if I'm going to get to feet. So I know revolutions have to go down here. So now we can take this idea of these conversion factors and apply it to what we're dealing with. I know that one revolution around a circle is the exact same thing as one circumference of that circle. One revolution is one circumference. And I know the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, whatever the units are, feet, inches. In this case, he's swinging around the circle as 2 feet, so I know that it's going to be 2 feet. So just like we could do 3 feet in 1 yard are the exact same thing, so dividing them gives me 1. 2 pi r feet is 1 time around. 1 revolution is 1 time around. These are the same things. This is my conversion factor. That's just like multiplying by 1. Revolutions cancel. Excellent. Now I'm left in feet per minute. And I just want to be in feet. Okay, so I know I need minutes to go away. So now the other part of the problem, the other information given to me in the problem was he's spinning it around for 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm multiplying by 5 minutes. And if you like the fractions or the stepping stones always being fractions, then you can say that's 5 minutes over 1 when it's just a piece of information like that. So now I have minutes canceling with minutes. The only thing left, the only unit left is feet, and that's what I want to be in. So the rest of this is about just multiplying everything on top and dividing everything on bottom. Okay, well, 50 times 2 times 2 times 5 with a pi on it. What's that? 2 times 2 is 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 50, 1,000 pi feet. So now I can put it in my calculator and say 50 times 2 times pi times 2 times 5. Making sure I did that right. Yep. Whoa! And I could have multiplied 1,000 by pi now that I think about it, but that's okay. 3141.6 feet. 3,141.6 feet in 5 minutes worth of swinging. So I hope you guys get this. Moving on.